welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jazzie, and if you're a returning viewer, thanks for tuning in for today's video. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys a beauty tool that is related to skincare that I feel has really changed my skin, and I want to come on my channel and do an unboxing for you guys. This is not necessarily going to be a review because I do want to do a review for you all while I'm not wearing any makeup so I can show you guys how I use this tool, but I did want to come on my channel and share it with you guys so you all will kind of get an idea of what I've been doing to my skin here lately. So if this is something you're interested in watching, please stay tuned for the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you won't miss out on any of my uploads. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So a while back in one of my videos, I shared with you guys I had picked up this high frequency machine to help promote healthy hair growth, and I mentioned to you guys in that video that you can also use the high frequency machine for your face to help with blemishes and fine lines and wrinkles. And from the comments in that video, you guys were really asking me to try out an LED mask, and I did answer majority of those comments telling you guys how I did see the LED mask on Amazon while I was looking for the high frequency machine, and I wasn't really sure if I wanted to try it out because it is a higher price tagged item, but I went ahead and I said, you know what, let me try this out for my channel and give you guys the real tea. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys this Project E Beauty Skin Rejuvenation LED Therapy Phantom Mask, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I am going to go ahead and unbox this for you guys, but I am also going to read to you all some of the things that are on the box and some of the claims that this mask says that it's supposed to do. But from my knowledge, light therapy is really good if you have eczema, psoriasis, dark spots, blemishes, acne. It also helps decrease fine lines and wrinkles. So I am going to go ahead and read to you guys some of the things that's on the packaging before I go ahead and jump right in and show you guys what this mask actually looks like. Now, I have been using this mask out for about 2 weeks, and I like it, to be honest with you guys. I have noticed a difference in my skin. Out of all of the things I just mentioned to you guys, I have eczema, I have psoriasis, I have a few acne blemishes, a few dark spots, and I do suffer from smile lines. Yes, girl, I said I suffer because they are a true pain in the butt. So I'm always looking for things that will help my skin stay up to par and look as young and youthful as it can for as long as possible. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys some of the things it says on this box. Alright, so on the front of the box, it says a few things, and one of them being it's lightweight. It also says it has color changing technology, and lastly it says that it has a wireless controller. So I'm not too sure about the wireless controller part because all the times I've used it I did have to use the wires that come with it, but I will be diving into the manual some more so I can figure out if it is wireless or if you do have to use the wires that come with it. And you also have the 7 colors that you can change that will help with your skin needs, and then it says that it's lightweight, which I'm not too sure if it is lightweight. I find laying down and using this mask really does remove some of the stress that it can cause if you're trying to use the mask while you're sitting up. So when you do lay down, it does feel like a feather, but if you're trying to sit up, it is very heavy in my opinion. So now on the side, it has all of the color treatments that I just told you guys. It has 7, so I'm just going to briefly read over what each one does for you all really quickly. The first one is the red light, and this one is one of the most powerful colors to increase blood circulation. As you guys know, I'm always here to get my blood going, keep it moving. That's how your skin stays young and youthful. And it also says it stimulates skin cells to excrete collagen to achieve firm and smooth texture. The second color treatment they have is the blue light, excellent for effect of curing acne, killing bacteria, and improving sensitive skin, which is also another thing I suffer from. So your girl has like a whole list of skincare issues. I'm very much a good candidate to test this product out. Now the third light treatment it has is the green light. It's anti-aging, smooths wrinkles and fine lines, and cure wounds, which obviously I shared with you guys. I do have smile lines that I'm not too fond about, and I am always trying to reduce those lines. The next light treatment they offer is the purple light, which is supposed to be a relaxing light treatment. Then they have the Cayenne Light, which is a gentle acne treatment for inflammation skin. The second to last treatment they offer is a Yellow Light, which improves microcirculation, adjusts factors, and inhibits melanin production. So girl, she is all about the melanin, like yes honey. And lastly, they have the White Light, which is a relaxing treatment. Now on the back of the box, it also has some more specifications about the wavelength of each light therapy. And on the side here, it says your Phantom LED therapy. The LED Phantom Skin Rejuvenating Facial Mask is designed to make use of colored LED lights, which supply pure light to remove various skin issues and rejuvenate your skin, reducing scars, which just from reading that first sentence, I'm sold. I'm gonna go ahead and read the second sentence. It says, unlike other skin and beauty devices, this mask gives you high quality skin LED treatment and has been scientifically validated to give you efficient and effective results, honey. Like yes, I'm so here for this. And honestly, it says that you're supposed to be able to see results from your first week of use, and I definitely can stand by that. I have seen my skin looks more rejuvenated. It does look more youthful, but I'm still working on my smile lines and a few acne scars. And it also says the Phantom Light therapy works by using the natural healing properties present in different wavelengths of light to treat various skin diseases. And it says some more stuff, but I'm not actually going to read all of that because it's a lot to read. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in and show you guys what you receive once you order this Phantom LED mask. So once you open the packaging, this is what the mask looks like inside. I'm trying to show you guys without the mask actually falling. So you have the mask piece, and then you also have the piece for your neck. And I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys some other things that come with this mask. So obviously, like I just shared with you all, you get the mask as well as the neck piece. You get an adjustable strap that you can put on to the neck piece, so when you go to sit with it on, you're not worried about it falling off because you have this elastic band that will help secure it in place. You'll also receive these side pieces that go on the mask, so when you're laying down or when you have your treatments going, you don't have to hold your mask, which is so convenient. So all you do is you just slide them right on to the mask. I'll go ahead and show you guys where they go. They actually go right here. So I'm going to go ahead and insert them in right now for you guys so you can see what this tool looks like when it's all put together. So this is what it looks like once you've applied the little side pieces to secure the mask. Then you get a remote that comes with it. And lastly, you'll receive this hyaluronic acid serum from Project E-Beauty, which is super nice because once you do your LED treatments, it's really important to follow up with a serum or a moisturizer. Now, this mask is a little pricey. I did go ahead and get you guys a coupon code. Make sure you guys check the description box down below if you're interested in purchasing this up for yourself. But you can also purchase this off Amazon, and if you have Amazon Prime, you can get it shipped to you in 2 days. And I believe Amazon has some type of payment program, so if you're not really sure you want to go ahead and purchase it up front, you can make payments on this if you want to test it out and see how well it works for your skin. Now, this LED mask also does come with a manual, and like all beauty tools, I strongly recommend you guys read the manual. Like I told you guys earlier in the video, I still have some reading to do on this manual to figure out if the remote is 100% wireless, because once you use the mask, you actually have to hook it up to the facial and neck portion. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So right here I have the mask as well as the neck piece, and here are the cords that are attached to the mask. And on the bottom of it, you have this little USB port that fits perfectly into the top of the mask remote. So it's all connected, and this is what it looks like. The cord is relatively long, so this way when you're doing your treatments, you can actually put the remote by your side and not have to worry about having it up too close and not being able to turn your head to look and see what you're doing. So because I have tried this out before, I am gonna go ahead and show you guys what the remote looks like, because if I try to show you guys what the LED light treatment look like on camera, you just won't really be able to see them with my studio lights. So the least I could do is show you guys what it looks like on the remote, and I will be doing a full review on this mask here in the near future, and I will be showing you guys all of the colors as well as how I use it in my whole skincare routine when I'm using this LED treatment mask. So you first start off by pressing the power button, which is on the far left. And once you turn it on, there's this green button next to the word power right here that turns green and lets you know that it is on. The next thing you want to do is press the start stop, which is on the far right top side. And basically right in the middle you have your color option, and when you go ahead and select how long you want to have your facial mask on, you can also go ahead and choose the color. So down here at the bottom too, you have if you want less time, and you can also increase the time length up to 60 minutes for your treatment. So for me personally, I like to do my mask for 15 minutes each because girl, I like to do 2 of them in the same setting. I'm not too sure if you're supposed to do that, but I just do as I please. So then you can go ahead and choose the color. That's the one right dead in the middle that has like a color wheel, and you can go ahead and change from red to green to blue to a yellow to blue to purple, and lastly to white. And you can also change the energy level with these 2 buttons on the top and bottom of the color wheel. So I find that is also helpful as well. Alright you guys, so that wraps up my unboxing video for this 7-color Phantom LED Rejuvenating Mask from Project E Beauty. If you guys are interested in purchasing this for yourself, check the description box down below because I will have a coupon code, and you can also purchase this off of Amazon and off of Project E Beauty's website directly. Now the model that I featured in today's video, this is their newer model, their newer version. This is the lighter weight one, opposed to the one that they previously came out with that was a little heavier. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. If you're trying to find the mask that I have, I will have all the specs and all the information to this specific mask down in the description box. So make sure you guys check that out, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.